Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best plasma cutters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hobart 500,564 Airforce Plasma Cutter. Hobart 500,564 Airforce Plasma Cutter should be your next choice to look at. This product arrives with an inbuilt air compressor that delivers the best cutting experience of all time. Its cutting ability is a lot faster and greater if being compared to that of oxy-fuel. For this reason, it can deal with all types of metal, whether it is stainless steel or aluminum. To ensure that warping is minimized, this plasma cutter makes sure to cause very little heat-affected zone during the process of cutting. When you use this, you do not have to tune the flame using gas pressure at all. Moving on at number 4, we have the Forney Weld 25120p Plasma Cutter. Forney Easy Plastic Cutter should not be missed by any metal artist. With its impressive ability to cut any types of metal, this device works smoothly on cutting mild steel, aluminum, as well as stainless steel from thin material. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need a 120-volt source of electricity to start this machine. Not to mention, this product also comes with an inbuilt air dryer, which makes the total operation become a breeze. What is more, it comes with drag torch technology that enables users to drag down the cutting tip right on the metal. As a result of this, you do not need to have an arc. Besides, this industrial plasma cutter is totally lightweight and transportable. At number 3, we have the PRIMEWELD Premium and Rugged 50A Air Inverter Plasma Cutter. If you are looking for a plastic cutter that uses air conversion to cut your steel, you should check out this one from PRIMEWELD. By purchasing this product, you will get all of the accessories that you need to run the machine. This is a dual-voltage plasma cutter. Thus, it is suitable to operate using both 110 voltage and 220 voltage of the electric source. Then, you do not have to worry when there is a limitation of electric outlets. Since this product is suitable for most kinds of metal cutting works, you can pick this one either for industrial use or home hobby. With the purchasing, you will also get a 3-year warranty covered for this plasma cutter too. At number 2, we have the Superdeal DC Inverter Plasma Cutters. Here is another dual-voltage plasma cutter from Superdeal. Although the construction of this machine looks complex, its operation is irresistible. By featuring Pro technology, the product cuts through the metal with stability. Once the cycle is in high duty, it also reduces the consumption of power too. Because it is a product OS solid iron construction, it deals with mild steel, aluminum alloy, and other types of metal perfectly fine. Plus, there is also a precise LCD display screen that keeps you on track with the level of air pressure during the operation. Being constructed to suit any metal cutting works, this plasma cutter can be used by both amateur and professional in the industry. And finally at number 1, we have the Amico Store Plasma Cutters. Amico Store also presents you with this reliable and quality plasma cutter for both DIY and industrial uses. This unique feature of this product is its automatic voltage adaptation. Because of this, it greatly adjusts the voltages in the range between 110 volts up to 240 V. Thus, you do not have to worry when there are limited outlets. Since this one comes with an air inverter, it is able to deal with the cutting range up to 1 inch. Plus, no more worries about fire splashing. This product minimizes the fire hazards and brings you ultimate safety. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.